pursuing.
Achha, okay, you are in final year, right? I think.
Yes.
Okay. So your subject is microbiology, okay? So just let me tell you the syllabus first, huh? So that you can plan syllabus. Because I will share you some question paper also and some syllabus also.
Sure.
So in the, you can see the syllabus of PCR, there are 13 units, okay? And all these 13 units is starting from your graduation onwards. And the syllabus covering 3 years your graduation syllabus also and masters 2 years, including all the aspects, plant biology, geology, animal physiology, genetics, biochemistry, starting with the unit 1 biochemistry and then second one is the cell biology, molecular biology, and then third unit will be related to regulation of the genes, and fourth unit related to the signal transduction and immunology. I'm just going to show you the syllabus so that you can understand what I'm saying. See the syllabus, yes. So I think I have to share again the screen. Now you can see the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see this is divided into the 13 units, okay? And there are 3 portions of the examination. This is part 1, part A, and it will contain almost 15 questions of 2 marks, and it will be related to the numerical aptitude, okay? So you have to, and the 10th maths is mostly covered, and some logical reasoning, okay? And then the part B, containing almost 35 questions, 70 marks. This is of 30 marks. And part C, almost 25 questions, 4 marks each, and it will be around 100. So total marks will be 200. Okay. So for the part B, what kind of questions are coming? Are you aware? No idea?
No idea, sir.
So part C will be based on the basic concept and advanced knowledge, and part C will be based on the research. Okay. So this is the most scoring part, and never CSR has a rule, they are never going to repeat any questions from any section, from part B or part C, right? So then question arises, how to handle. So part C is very lengthy. It's almost 1 page, 1 question, and they are giving the detailed description, and based on the logical reasoning, they are asking the answers. An answer may have the multiple choice. I will show you shortly some questions. Let us discuss the syllabus first and what time you will require for the preparation, right? So, you can see the first unit is molecules and their interaction related to biology, cellular organization, second unit, and third unit fundamental processes, fourth cell communication and cell signaling, fifth one is developmental biology, sixth is the system physiology, plant, and system physiology, animal, this is the 7th unit, and 8th unit is inheritance biology, and 9th one is diversity of life form, right? And 10th is the ecological principles. And 11th is evolution and behavior. 12th is applied biology. So many of the, I think you will be aware of at least 8 to 9 units already you have to, you've gone through, I think. Right? You've gone through these topics, I can see the detailed syllabus. For example, you can see the molecules and the interaction related biology, right? So this is covering almost 10 units, separate units. This complete biochemistry knowledge should be there. And you can see the cellular organization, the complete detail you will require to study about the membrane structure function, then structural organization, function of intercellular organelles, organization of gene and chromosome, cell division, cell cycle, microbial physiology. And third unit, very detailed knowledge should be related to the DNA replication, repair, recombination, early synthesis cell processing, and protein synthesis processing, control of gene expressions of transcription and translation level. Most of these questions from 1 to 4 unit is very, very important because almost they are dominating in every examination and especially in the part B. Okay. And for the part C sections, you will find the question from here because a lot of conceptual question will be asked as a research problem. Cell communication, cell signaling, which covers host-parasite interactions, cell signaling, cellular communication, cancer, innate and adaptive immune system. And fifth is, of course, very, very important, and it's a very scoring, at least 5 to 10 questions is going to be asked from the developmental biology and basic concept of development, gametogenesis, fertilization, early development, morphogenesis, organogenesis in animals, morphogenesis and organogenesis in plants. So what you can see here, program cell death, aging and senescence in the last, system physiology covering the complete knowledge about the plant physiology like photosynthesis, respiration, photorespiration, nitrogen metabolism, plant hormones, sensory photobiology, cellular transport, photoassimilate translocation, secondary metabolite, stress physiology, right? So a huge syllabus, you need at least 6 months time to go into the detail, and at least you should solve last 5 years questions, right? So system physiology, animal, what was the BSc background? It was a zoology or botany?
Microbiology, biochemistry, food science and technology, sir.
Okay, it means you have to take care of these sections also because mostly plant biology students are going to study this much of the details, system physiology, because it's easy one. And also in the graduation, I think you might have taught some of the topics like nitrogen metabolism, plant hormone, respiration, photorespiration, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, of course, from class 12, you might be studying, right? C3, C4 kind pathway. So mostly zoology students are comfortable in these sections. So we have not to cover those 13 units rather than at least 9 to 10 units. You must prepare it well to qualify because qualifying score from last 2 years are very high. Okay. So cutoff, if you'll ask me, this was around 98 percentile, right? 98 percentile means the maximum number of the question attempted by the student will got the highest marks, and then related to that, all the students were evaluated. Okay, according to the number of students appeared in the examination, the cutoff is calculated. So you can see the inheritance biology. This is related to the totally calculations, right? Calculations part. This is not very simple, but they are covering at least 7 to 8 questions every time in the section B itself, and also there are 75 questions you will see. At least 70 questions are there. Means you have to choose any 35 out of 70 questions. So you have a flexibility. You can choose your domain or a specialized area, and then you can go for the solutions. Okay, and there is a negative marking 1/4, right, for the wrong questions you are attempting. So mostly we are advising students prepare it well and never attempt any wrong question. I will allot you this a test paper similar to that of CSIR, and you can check how much you are comfortable and what kind of preparation you need based on the score you are getting. If you downloaded the app, Merit Life Sciences app, I have given the link. So we are controlling everything by the apps. Okay. So we can allot a regular batch, and if you need a kind of recorded video notes in advance with live classes, then also there is I can show you how you have to use the apps. You can use the apps over the computer also, laptop also, right? And over the this one is the app. This is the web classplus.com. I can share this link with you so that if you have the time, you can open this over the browser and you can see the content. I can show the content where you will find it and what are the flexibility we are providing to the students, because many times you are having the classes or projects or the labs. Okay. So we have just launched a CSIR refresher revision course so that you can have all the contents at one place, right? Having the recorded video, even the notes, right? I can see. So you have not to run here and there for the content, because if you have the prepared notes, already lecture video, right? So you can utilize your time in your mode setting, whatever the setting you have. Because many students prefer to study in the night, and many students prefer to study in the daytime, okay, in the morning time. So there is no boundary of learning. Once you subscribe to this opening, so and let me discuss some of the things without wait. And this is very important from the 9 onwards, because this is covering about the diversity of life form, level of structuralization, online classification of plant, animal, macroorganism, natural history of Indian subcontinent. Almost 3 to 4 questions are coming from these sections. And ecological principles, very, very important, because in 2018 you will see this section was dominating, right? Plant physiology and ecology was dominating, because nowadays what is happening? Computer are selecting the questions. Okay. So whatever the NTA guidelines are there, so according to the NTA guidelines, we have prepared the test modules. Okay. So this is the free test. You can attend this one. All right. Once you are visiting this course content in the store, right, I can show you all the modules. These are the last year questions solved, right? 2019, 21, 2015. But if you need the live classes along with that, then you have to choose the another content that contains the live classes. The fee will be a little bit higher. It will be 15,000 valid for lifetime. Okay. So the unit wise, we have given all the modules, and the test paper is present along with that. Suppose you are studying the property of water, isomeric biomolecules, bonding, amino acid, salt question. So this is the kind of model we are providing with the salt question paper also, and test papers are here. You can choose test anytime, and you can get the marks immediately, similar to the NTA guidelines, because these times there is no paper-based questions. Always you will find the question like this. So whatever the questions you are selecting, you can pick up the questions, right? And then based on your selection, automatically the marks will be awarded. Okay. So you can go to the next question, similarly next, and such kind of watch will be there. Right? Test duration 130, and when you will start the test, then automatically the watch will be there, and it will allow you the maximum marks like 56, right, for biochemistry. So complete biochemistry, this test is going to cover, right, so that you can test your preparation exactly what is your level, and you are also getting the institute rank, all India rank. Okay. So also if you are doing the incorrect questions, then you are getting the explanation that questions are very tough. Okay. And also if you have any doubt, you can call me, and we have the live sessions for that. Then we can discuss the question and answer both. Okay. So this is kind of arrangement from 1 to 30 minutes. And even I have given this math aptitude videos so that you can appear in the test, you can test your knowledge, and also the videos lecture, so that you can go through that and can solve the problems. Right, so unit 11, unit 13, miscellaneous lecture, these are very important from unit 3rd, Unit 12. And biostats are also coming, microscopy. So separate each topic is very important. There is a wide coverage of the syllabus. So we are providing the ready-made video also along with the live courses. We are also providing the complete videos. For example, you can see here, you have to select according to your need. Lux batch. This is the Lux batch currently in the 46% offer with the price 12,000. Earlier its price was 15,000. So you are getting everything here also. But live classes is the feature. I am taking the classes, timetable is there, and every day the content is uploaded, whatever you are studying, right? So that is on your choice. So again, back with the syllabus. So these questions are, these topics are very important. These sections are very important. If you talk about the evolution behavior, emergence of evolutionary thoughts, origin of cells and unicellular evolution, paleontology, evolutionary history, morpho evolution, mechanism. So these are the prescribed syllabus from the CSIR. Brain behavior and evolution. This is very important part because this is the most interesting part also, covering the learning, memory, cognition, sleep, arousal, biological clocks, developmental behavior, social communication, everything, parental care, habit selection. I don't think you might gone through these topics anywhere in your graduations or masters. And then this is the applied biology part. You can say it's the biotechnology part especially. Applied biology and methods in biology is especially useful for all the students. Why I'm saying that? Because if you are going into any laboratory, right? So inside the laboratory, they are having the interviews. Interviews are related to the techniques mostly. Why? Because you have to work over the various techniques and instruments. Right? So that's why the deep knowledge is required in all those areas, and at least 15 to 20 questions are coming in the examination from unit 12 and 13. And mostly in the C sections, they are dominating because they are covering a wide area of instruments and technique. So statistical methods also, because these are the tools of the research, basic tools of the research: radiology technique, microscopy, electrophysiological methods, methods in biology. And there is no one book prescribed for all these syllabus. There are at least 10 to 12 books are prescribed for that. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Very brief. I have mentioned you a lot of things.
Sir, along with me, there are two more people, sir.
Okay.
To learn.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, you are audible, please. I think the network, I should put off my videos. So that is.
My network is so clear, sir.
Okay. And now it's okay. You are audible perfectly. So you can ask a question.
You like it, sir?
Pardon?
For free classes?
What is your question, please? You can send me also your question to chat box. Sometimes you are audible, sometimes your voice is breaking. No?
Okay, sir, I will text you.
You can use this chat box available here. So I can see your questions. But now you are perfectly audible. There are free classes available, but you have to subscribe for the anyone module. For the regular classes, you have to subscribe. That is lifetime valid. 12,000 fees I have just shown you. And physical classes are free. Along with that, before the exam, 1 month before exam, physical classes are free, right? Along with that, but all the classes will be online before that. So it will take at least 6 to 7 months to cover all these topics in online mode, because it's a very difficult to, because some of the students are from Kerala, some students from Maharashtra, some students from Madhya Pradesh, some students are from Jammu Kashmir. right? So free classes is available along with this subscription. So you can select this module, that is revision series. All the recorded video are there, and this is also valid for 1 year. Okay? And along with that, if you have any doubt, you can get the free live classes. Okay? So all the things are available here in this mode. Subscription is required because we are also teacher and we have our own expenses to pay for the internet, for the apps. So many expenses are there. That is very difficult to meet if you are doing the hard work. You can understand it, right? But this is guaranteed that if you are going for this one, so we are going to provide you as much live classes you can you wish, right? You got my point? Hello. Okay. So I have given you link that is not very much costly, right? And I think that much you should afford because you are become serious also. And I promise you to provide all the live classes free along with that, right? You can attend like all the classes, and also ready-made videos are there, tests are there. You have not to pay anything else from that one. So if you like, I can share that link, right? And you can directly go for 3000 package. And that is most of the students are purchasing this one. You can see there are imported by 12 tutors and mostly you can see the list of the students. I can show you, right? These are the long list. Okay, got that? This is the long list of students. Okay, if I anything more required, I will be available for you, right? And I wish you to qualify the exams. So this was purchased 2 months back, and a lot of the students are purchasing this one. This is totally controlled by the app, and you'll find a lot of things. Live classes, module will be notices will be sent there. Attendance are there, announcements are there. Okay, so test modules are also there. Okay, so this is very similar to the paid live classes. So live classes I can offer you free with that. Okay, it's covering everything, all the syllabus. You can see 268 videos, 66 files, 38 tests, and covering 4 months. And you can see here what are the features: notes, mock test, lifetime, MTA score, earlier rank, export lecture Monday to Friday, mock test level 3, PYQ, sound fully explained, and live class recording. Okay, you got my point? Any more questions? If you want to ask, you can ask. Is it okay? Should I end the lecture? I think I have answered each and every point very clearly to you, right? And if anything you require more, then I can. Thank you so much.